back to Chirag's kitchen. This is Chef Chirag Kundra, and today in our kitchen we'll be baking a special cake. Now the speciality of this cake is that it will be baked without oven, without eggs and without refined flour. So without further ado, let's get started. So now in a sieve we will be sifting all our dry ingredients together. So here I have 1 cup of atta or wheat flour, half cup of semolina or suji, quarter cup of refined sugar, and we'll be sifting them all together like this. Now into this we'll add half cup of melted butter. Into this we'll also add 1 cup of milk. Milk could be at normal temperature as well. Into this we'll also add 4 tablespoons of Hershey syrup. Now we'll give it a nice mix. Instead of Hershey syrup you can also add cocoa powder in case you have, and sugar we have added less because this Hershey syrup also has some sweetness in it. And now as you can see, our batter is ready. We'll allow it to rest for around 5 to 10 minutes. Until that time we'll preheat our cooker. Now here in the cooker I have added some salt to preheat, and it is kept on the simmest flame, and into this we'll add our stand which is usually available in the household. We'll also be greasing our mold. This is basically the aluminium mold which I am using here, and I am greasing it with refined oil all over the mold like this. Now since our cooker is preheating and it's been 5 minutes already, we'll add baking powder to this, and with very light hands give it a mix in one direction only. Now we'll add this batter into the mold. Now we'll give this one tap like this, and this goes into the cooker for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure to keep it on the sim flame and for 25 minutes without whistle. Now it's been 25 minutes, let's check our cake. Now we'll insert one toothpick to see if it's cooked or not. If it comes out clean like this, that means it's cooked properly. Our super delicious cake is ready. You can even eat this cake as it is, but little decoration does no harm. So here I have some castor sugar and I'll be sifting it over it like this. And a little bit of Hershey syrup, like just drizzle it over. Scrumptious and healthy chocolate cake is ready. Do give it a try at your places. Mention down in the comments below how it came out to be. Do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. Thank you. See you around. Bye bye.